Hello dosto, we are up again with the new app that is the YachtSnags. YachtSnags is the ultimate app for the yacht owners, super yachts, managers, boat inspectors and marine maintenance teams to document, manage and track yacht defects, boat maintenance tasks and vessel snag reports. So in this app we have the four sections: project, reports, this is the report section, then this is the settings, and then the more options. So main area is the project. You can create unlimited project for your yachts, and each project have the facilities to edit, copy, generate reports. You can delete that and you can share the project with your team members. So if you'll go on the project, if you'll go the edit project, you will see the yacht name, model, job reference, full number, registrations, start and date of your project, length, beam, draft, engine information, owner information and auditor information. So you can see all these things into a project, and when you tab on a project you can log all the defects. Each defects can have the multiple photos, suppose, and you can also expand the defect. You can see the defect title, start and date, auditors, status, priority, categories, location, workflow, severities, descriptions, comments. You can add all these things into a snag. So all these informations are added into a snag, and then you can add the multiple images. You can mark up the photo, so you can highlight the extra things into a photo that you would like to do. So this is the part of the add edit snags. You can say the defect, items, issues, repair, maintenance, whatever terminology you would like to use, that you can use. Then we have the report sections, so you can generate PDF and Excel reports. So we have the create report sections. You can choose your project that you have, then you can add the revision number, start date, format, like you need PDF or Excel, you can choose according that, images or without images. We have the various PDF themes, so these are the PDF themes that you can choose, and then various filters. So you can create the reports, you can store those reports into your system, you can view the reports. We have the very good formatting of the reports. This is your yacht information, so we have the full details on the yacht, and then all photos and multiple photos with the geolocation and time and date of each photo, like when it is captured. So we have all these informations. Then we have the settings. You can change language, you can change the language. We support the multiple language. Then report sections, so you can provide more information, what information you would like to see on the report, that is you can enable and disable from the report detailings. Then this is the common setup, like no need to type the things again and again. You can set up the predefined list and that will pop up into the various fields. And then the more sections, so this is the more sections. You can get the more information about the application and the various helps options are available, FAQs we have, how to use, we have the video, and there's so many things. So this is a very good app. You can use it for your yacht snagging. Thank you.